Hey guys, welcome to my channel Makeup Simplified. In today's video, I'll show you a beginner-friendly smoky eye tutorial. Like all my videos, this video also shows you simple, easy to follow makeup with minimal products used. This look can be pulled together within 15 minutes and you can pair this makeup with a black dress or a cozy sweater and you'll be party ready within minutes. I'm also going to show you in this video a secret trick to make sure your blush looks seamless and helps bind your whole look together. So continue watching. We'll start off with the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. You can use any kohl or pencil eyeliner for this. Start with lining the upper lash line. I'm not going to be too precious about getting seamless lines since we are going to smudge it anyway. Use a smudge brush or a small flat brush to smudge this eyeliner by going back and forth. Now this is the time you're going to give shape to the eyes as well. Pull the eyeliner out and up to get a nice almond shape. Add in more eyeliner to make the black more prominent and smoky, and continue smoking it to give it a nice shape. For this particular look, I'll use the Main Squeeze palette by Colourpop. Using the shade Seed Money, I'll apply it all over my lid. What I like about this technique is that I don't have to worry about being very particular about the application. You can just wash it all over the lid. Now we'll blend the edges using a clean fluffy brush. Keep the brush horizontal when you're near the outer eyes and slowly blend it. As you go inwards, start pointing it to the lid. This motion helps to blow out the eyeshadow outwards. Using the Charlotte Tilbury color corrector in medium, I will blend it under the eye and around the mouth. I'll follow this with my Bareminerals medium coverage concealer in shade medium. Now next I'll go with the foundation. The foundation I'm using here is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer in shade 11. I like this tinted moisturizer for skin-like feel without weighing down. This tinted moisturizer is buildable to get a medium to full coverage. Since we have concealer underneath, I like to use a light to medium coverage foundation. I'll use the shade Prose from the same palette on my lower lash line and blend it using a small fluffy brush. And then I'm going to tightline my waterline with black eyeliner. I'll use the brush I used for smudging the black eyeliner to give my eyes more definition. I'm not using any new black eyeliner, but whatever is left on that smudging brush. Using the Benefit Cookie highlighter, I'll highlight under my brow bone, the inner corners of my eyes. I've been loving this highlighter lately for its cream to powder finish. It just melts into your skin. I really love that you guys try my makeup looks and post it on social media. I'm so grateful that you keep liking my content. Let's go in with the Bareminerals Lashtopia mascara next, and I'm gonna do the fanning motion going outwards and wiggle the wand outwards and upwards. The rolling and wiggling helps to separate the lashes and create volume and curl. At this time you can go ahead with falsies, but I'm gonna stick to my natural lashes. If you have oily skin, you'll set the makeup at this point, as after this we are going to go ahead with a lot of powder products. I'll be using the Sunlit bronzer by Becca in shade Bronzed Bondi, starting at the top of my ear and pulling it slightly downward. I'll also apply the bronzer on my forehead next to my hairline to add depth and definition. Using the Benefits Cookie highlighter, I'll highlight on top of my cheeks. I absolutely love this highlighter. It's a very warm-toned highlighter and it can be used on mature skin as well as sensitive skin, and it's non-irritating. Next is my favorite step, the lipstick. This shade Peanut by Morphe is an absolute gorgeous terracotta rust shade and goes really beautifully on Indian skin. Let's just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this shade looks. This liquid lipstick dries to a soft velvety matte finish. It's transfer proof and is long wearing. Now it's time for the secret trick. Using a fluffy blush brush, I'm going to pick up some of my excess lipstick and apply it on my cheeks. The reason is, with this technique, the blush is in the same shade family as your lipstick, and this makes your entire look flawless. I had a lot of fun shooting this, guys. I was doing this makeup just for a dinner party, but I thought I should make a tutorial out of it because it's so perfect for Thanksgiving dinner. I absolutely love reading your comments on YouTube, and it's so much fun to make all these videos with your encouragement and support. It makes me really happy that you take the time to watch all my tutorials and try them out. It's so much fun to watch it on Instagram. And of course, you know where to find me on Instagram, right? It's make.up.simplified, or you can always use the hashtag makeoverbycash. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family and enjoy and stay safe. Bye!